Teresa Freed with Johnson County Government. It's our goal to stop the spread of COVID-19 in our community. We also want to make sure you have the latest information on our efforts. For data on how COVID-19 is impacting the county, visit our dashboard on jocogov.org.
If you are sick and are coming back, especially at this point, if you're developing a fever, a cough, shortness of breath, or any of the other symptoms of COVID, please stay home from work. Don't get out around other people. We have plenty of access to tests now, more than ever before. Come and get tested. Remember that the incubation period for the virus is about 14 days, and so we're about that far out from when people are coming back from Christmas now, and this is the time where people may be starting to show those kind of symptoms. So it's extremely important that we all follow the kind of directions that we've given before. If you're returning from Christmas or from some New Year's celebration at this point and are starting to get symptoms, please go and get tested. Remember that after you've been in a situation with other people around whom you have not been living previously, if you get together with them, family members or other types of exposures to people that end up being if you're a close contact of somebody who's a case, that you need to stay home and quarantine at least 5 days before getting tested to make sure that you're not an asymptomatic carrier. We want to also say, with respect to the vaccine, after you've been vaccinated, remember it's still extremely important for you to be practicing all of the social distancing practices that we've been talking about all along. We've started doing some analysis of people in healthcare settings that are getting the virus and are finding that it is failure to use proper personal protective equipment in settings when they're around other people informally that is contributing to the spread of the virus, like getting together and eating together in break rooms. That's not actually doing patient care, but if we have our masks off, especially when we're sitting next to each other eating and talking, that's a time where transmission can happen. So please be careful. Please remember to follow all of these, all of the social distancing practices that we've been promoting all along. We're going to need to keep doing those into the summer as we keep pushing out the vaccine.
For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.